Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we fit another Starline i96 on this brand new Mercedes CLA EQ Ready. How the system works is if someone was to clone his key, jump in and try and start it, this is what would happen. Vehicle will start and cut out. There you go. Vehicle will start, try and start, won't even start now, and cut out. So let's try it again. Try and start it. Vehicle will start and cut out. So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, what he does is turn the main ignition on till he gets his yellow lights, insert a basic code on here. We've done something very simple, so 1 2 3, receive a melody, start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Vehicle is now running. If the customer wants to change the code, this is also very straightforward, and the way you would do that is ignition on, main ignition, disarm the system, receive your melody, then hit any of the buttons on the network 5 times. Now I know on this vehicle you've got that button, most of these buttons and some of these buttons. So if we hit this 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5, key off, key back on, we receive 5 bleeps. So now I'm actually going to change it to this side. So I'm going to go 1 2 3. We're getting bleeps, so we know that this button works. We're going to get a confirmation now. It's accepted the code, and we're going to repeat it again. So 1 2 3. So if the code is correct to the first one, it's going to give us a melody. If it's incorrect, it'll give us a grunt, and then we'll repeat the process again. There you go. Code has just been confirmed. If we give it about 5-10 seconds and try the new code, you'll see we've just changed it. So main ignition on, disarm code, confirmation, start the vehicle. There you go, ready light is on. Also, if you want to take the car for a service and you don't want to disclose the code, you want to put it in valet mode, this is straightforward. So basically again, main ignition, first of all you disarm the system to gain access, 1 2 3, system's disarmed. Then you hit this button or this button 11 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Key off, key back on. 2 chirps, that means it's now in valet mode. So if I now turn it off and just start it, it will start straight away. There you go, vehicle started straight away. When I get the vehicle back, to take it out of valet mode, just insert the code. 2 bleeps confirms it's out of valet mode. Give the car 10 seconds and the car will be protected. This is the product, Starline i96, great bit of kit. Also you can pair it to a phone. You can download the Starline Key app, use it as a Bluetooth authorization tag, and all you then do is main ignition on, Bluetooth is paired, Bluetooth is on, receive your melody and start your vehicle. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company, and the number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much, bye bye.